Okay, this is lab 9-3, comprehensive case 2, Dillard stored data, calculate sales tax for Dillard states part 2, and compare it year over year. What I want to go ahead and do in this lab is I want to calculate total sales across all Dillard stores year over year and month over month in order to compare sales tax paid in across periods. So what I want to first go ahead and do is I want to go ahead and I want to go to data, get data, and I want to do it from database, SQL Server. Also, I already had Excel pulled up. So the next thing I do is put my server in, my database like usual, the ESSQL1, and then I put my SQL Server statement in, and I'm going to load that and show you in 1 second. I'm going to go ahead, I have my everything in my database, and hit press OK. I'm going to retry this. I'm going to go ahead and edit. I may have made a mistake in my statement. I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and resume. I'm going to go to, okay. So the data may take a second to load. And I should have 986 rows. So while that loads, oh, here it goes, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and load this into my Excel. I'll be right back when I finish this loading. So I'm gonna go ahead and create 2 different columns. I'm going to name the first one state rate. The next one, I'm going to name it state tax owed. And I'm going to do the same thing I did in the previous lab in regards to the VLOOKUP right now. And I can show you those steps in a second. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is add my state and tax rate into the other 2 columns. So I'm going to do copy this, Control Shift over, Control Shift down, Control C, and I'm going to copy this over to V, Control V. Perfect. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do a VLOOKUP for both of these. So I'm going to go ahead and do a VLOOKUP equals VLOOKUP state, comma, table 1, comma 2, comma, I'm going to do false, tab, parentheses, enter. Perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same for state tax owed, but I'm going to switch up the formula just a little bit. Equals round. And when I get that one in, I will show you the steps. Resume. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter. And here we go. Next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is go to insert, pivot table, query 1. I'm going to press new worksheet. I'm going to press OK. So here I can view how state sales tax owed changed from 2014 to 2015. I'm sorry. And I'm going to add the state fields to the pivot table rows, the year field to the pivot table columns, and the state tax owed to the pivot table values. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So I'm going to go year, here, year, Sum of tax owed and the values. Do state and rows. So I want to limit the years viewed. So I'm going to click the drop down next to the columns label. And I want to only do 2014 to 2015. So 1 second. So here's my filter right here. And all I want to do is select 2014 and 2015. So I'm going to deselect 2016. Press OK. So now the filter data provides the information I need to see the states of Dillard's owed more or less state sales tax in from 2014 to 2015. But the next thing I want to go ahead and do is I want to be on my pivot table, the design tab, grand total, off for rows and columns. And to visualize this data, I want to press insert, line, and I want the, 1 second. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to select this as a data range, and I want the location to be right here. That's okay. One second. Let me do that sparkline step one more time. All right, let's just fix the sparkline. I'm just going to go here and double click. I'm actually just going to go drag it back, actually. That seems like the best thing to do right now. Perfect. So what these spark lines are telling me is how I can see the state tax owed change from 2015 to 2014, as you can see here. And this is a really great visualization tool. And that will be the end of Lab 9-3, Comprehensive Case 2, Dillard Stored Data, Calculate Sales Tax for Dillard States, Part 2, Compare Year over Year. Thank you.